Yo guys, how's it going, G's? I'm Arshia, and in this tutorial I wanna talk about the reverse shell with the Telegram bot, and it's kind of sound crazy and interesting at the same time, cause that was kind of a FUD, that means fully undetectable. I mean that wasn't fully undetectable, but only 4 antiviruses detect this malware. So first I wanna tell you how I just create this very little script, this very little malware with the Python program language. There is a module with the name of PyShell virtual GitHub Py. There is a, let me see, yeah, there is a module with the name of Telegram reverse shell lib or Py, or yeah, PyTel reverse shell. And this module is really isn't really popular. In a one way, if you're gonna just go to the GitHub channel of this module, you will say to yourself, no, it's not popular, maybe it's not gonna work, so I'm not gonna try it, or maybe it has some malicious payload inside the module, so it will steal my own information as well, and so on. To be honest, I didn't read the module, I didn't read any source of the module, so I have no idea this module is okay, and this module there is no malicious, there is no like malicious script, there is no malicious payload, there is no nothing bad for you to use. Because you know, some modules, some people will create some modules which are kind of useful and helpful for hackers or programmers or whatever, but at the same time it will steal, this module will steal your computer information, your operating system information, or your device information, whatever, and will send those information to Telegram bot, to Discord, to email, or create a reverse shell. So you don't have to rely on this module, if you want to count on this module, and if you want to rely on this module, you have to make sure before import this module in your malware or in your Python script or whatever, you have to make sure you read the script of this module carefully, and you understand there is no malicious script, there is no like payload or something like that, there is no bad script exist in this module, because maybe these modules are gonna work correctly, properly, but at the same time it's possible to steal your information as well, you never know. So I talked a lot, so before everything I want to close the door then I'll come back. I'm gonna stop it. Okay, I'm coming again. So what was the exact purpose or exact goal of import and or using this module in your Python script or in your program? This module is just created for hackers, and you can use this module to create a reverse shell on your victim operating system or on your device. What is reverse shell? To be honest, because of my English skill, I can't explain it very well, but reverse shell I can just explain it for a little bit to just make sure you understand. Reverse shell is a kind of connection between your computer, your device, and your victim device, which can make hacker to access to the victim device and run some comment from the comment prompt inside the victim device. So hacker can steal some information, can do anything which the hacker want. Hacker can do anything because hacker have access to the comment prompt of the victim device, and it can just like I don't know which word can be suitable, but like inject some command and then get the response of those commands. So hacker will have a access to the comment prompt or PowerShell or whatever of the victim device, and then hacker can like do anything which you want. So I just tried my best to explain it very well, but to be honest I'm sure I couldn't explain it very well. So before everything, don't forget to, if you didn't understand, don't forget to search on Google what is reverse shell. Because before everything, you have to know a little bit of network plus. It's kind of necessary, to be honest, because uh, I mean, you have to know what is TCP connection, or this kind of stuff. Okay, so this module, it's so easy to use this module. The only thing which you got to do is you have to import this module, like from Python reverse shell import tail shell. But definitely you don't have this module in your Python, so you have to install it by writing a pip install telegram reverse shell lib blah 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 comment. That's it. Pip install in your, you have to open your terminal, command prompt, whatever you have, and then write pip install telegram reverse shell dash lib, and definitely you have to make sure you have Python. Then after install this Python module, you can use it. You have to import it, and as you can see, I'm gonna just don't think about these three modules, because I just wanted to do another interesting thing, so don't think about this three module. So I just gonna import this module. I just said from Python reverse shell import tail shell. Okay, and the difference between this reverse shell and other reverse shell, for example, if you are gonna use a Metasploit, you can create a MSF. You can use a MSF Venom to create a reverse shell, Meta Predator connection or whatever. But you have to set a L host. You have to set a L port for that, because it's just gonna be the connection between your device and the victim device. So you have to make sure your malware or your like Trojan or whatever understand after executing, after get executed in the victim device, where exactly need to send the information, and that victim device has to connect to the which device, because you have to that's why you have to say, if you want to use a Metasploit or whatever, you have to say, okay, generate this Trojan, generate this reverse shell or whatever, generate this malware or whatever, and set my L host and my L port. That means when getting execute in the victim device, send the information and make a connection between this device. How the malware or how the Trojan can understand which device? So we have to say L host, we have to say L port. Okay, but now if you want to use this module, you don't have to do that. You don't have to set the L host, you don't have to set the L port, nothing. You just need to create the Telegram bot by bot fodder, and just copy and paste the token of that Telegram bot. Sorry, my friend calling me, I don't want to answer. I'm busy. Okay, so you don't have to I'm gonna stop again and I will come back. Sorry. So you don't have to set L host or L port, and there is another advantage, or there is another thing which is really make this feature of this module, like anonymous, is like, because if you are gonna set the L host of your device and set the L port of your device, forensic police can find if for example forensic police can find some different information about the hacker device, because you set the L host and you set the L port for that malware or for that Trojan or whatever. Then forensic police will reverse shell, will reverse engineering, will use a reverse engineering method to understand this Trojan we just get executed in a like victim device exactly has a connection with which operating system. So it will get the source of that Trojan, and we'll find out, there is a L host, there is the IP address of the hacker, there is a L port, there is a port of the hacker device. So they can track you, they can find you, you're gonna get caught. But if you're gonna use this module, it just make the work of them so hard, because Telegram bot, everyone can create a Telegram bot, and first you have to have a Telegram. How? You can use it like fake phone number, create Telegram, then you can generate Telegram bots. So if they track, or if they reverse engineer if they are gonna reverse engineering use some reverse engineering method to see the sources, or see the script, or see the resources, or I have to say sources, or see the sources of, or see the, oh, I was watching here but my camera is here, never mind. So forensic police will use some reverse engineering method to see the source, to see the source of that malware, and then they will find out, okay, there is a token, there is a my token variable, and there is a my chat ID variable, and there is a chat ID, and there is a token. So maybe they will track, they will understand, they will understand which, like they will understand which Telegram bot will get the information, but how they want to understand which operating system, which device is the hacker. They will understand the bot of the hacker, the Telegram bot of the hacker, but it's impossible, I mean, based on my knowledge, it's impossible to find out what is the exact operating system of the hacker based on my knowledge. Okay, so I don't want to talk anymore, I just wanna do it. Just import it, and then my token, it's so easy. Just open up your Telegram, create a Telegram bot. If you don't know, just search on the Google. You have to use a Telegram bot, you have to use a bot fodder, create a Telegram, set a username, name, get the token, copy and paste here, my chat ID, use a user info bot, get the chat ID of your account, copy and paste here, easy peasy lemon squeezy. And I didn't do anything. That means you can like, oh, why everybody right now are calling me, that's weird, I sure that's weird. Okay, so you have to use a bot fodder to create a Telegram bot, and it will generate a token. You have to copy and paste your token of your bot, then you have to figure out what's your chat ID. You have to go to this bot, user info bot, and then get your chat ID of your account, and then copy and paste, and you can see my token, you can see my chat ID, you can access to my Telegram bot, but I don't care. So after that, easy, you have to say, okay, tell shell dot start shell bot token equal my token. My token is a variable, it is your token. Chat ID is the my chat ID. My chat ID is the chat ID of your account, and but my token is the token of your Telegram bot. That's it, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now if I'm gonna open up my Telegram, okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to archive here. Okay, Telegram bot, I'm gonna say ding 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 ding. Okay, that's it. So now if I'm gonna run my Python script, what will happen? There's gonna be a connection between a Telegram bot and my PC. Let's go do it. Run Python file. Look at here, 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 look at here. Shell started. Now I have the command prompt. Oh, it's here again. Go here. Now I have the reversal access to the victim device, and who is the victim device? Is me. Now I can do anything which I want. For example, I can get some useful information from the victim device, and the victim device is me. That means I'm hacker and I'm the victim at the same time. Get info, it will show some information of my PC. And what is the get info? To be honest, get info is not the comment of command prompt. Not exactly. This comment is the default comment of this hacking, okay, this module. Sorry to use hack. This module, and so this is a default comment. It is not the comment of command prompt, but you can get some information about my PC. But now I wanna use it. For example, I wanna say up-a. Up-a is the comment of command prompt. it will show me some like IP address, private IP address, and like MAC address, physical address, whatever. And I can say IP config. That's it. I can say system info. These are the comments of command prompt. That's it. You can see my email, my everything. Okay. But the question is that can I run a PowerShell script? Can I create a use some multiple lines of PowerShell script and then get some sensitive information, more sensitive information? If I'm gonna say, for example, I wanna figure it out, what's the local user of the victim device? Get local user. If I'm gonna say that, I'm just going to say, okay, I don't know what is get the local user. This comment does not exist in the command prompt. What you're talking about? If I'm gonna open up my command prompt, if I'm gonna say get local user again, it's just going to say, oh, I don't know what is that. This comment does not exist. Cause this comment is not the command prompt command. This command is a PowerShell command. Okay. If I'm gonna say PowerShell dash command or dash command, I think dash command, and get in the previous tutorial I just talked about it. Get local user. It will execute this command in the PowerShell. So I cannot use this PowerShell command in the command prompt, but I can say, okay, PowerShell, use a PowerShell dash command, and then use this local user command. Then it will show, my users. Then it will show the users of the victim device, and the victim is me, administrator, archi, guest, hacker, whatever. So now I understand why I exactly record the previous video and I told you you can run the PowerShell script, PowerShell commands inside the command prompt, because now you can do anything which you want. You can't, like, for example, some crazy stuff. You can't, like, cause you know reverse shell is the kind of, I have no idea, I didn't test it, but I think reverse shell has a administrator access. I have to figure it out. I think so. But some interesting stuff can be like that. You can delete the current user, add the hacker user, set the password for the hacker user, reboot. That's it. If you're gonna do that, the victim can't even log in to his device, cause this malware which just get executed, you just say to your malware from the reverse shell connection, delete the current user, that means the victim user, add the hacker user, your user, the hacker user, and set a password for the hacker user, and the password of the hacker user definitely the victim don't know, and then reboot. When it's just gonna get reboot or restart, the user of the victim gonna delete, and the victim can't log in to his user and will lose all of his information. I mean most of his information, and then the only way of the user is to log in to the user of the hacker, and that person don't know what's the password of the user of the hacker, so the computer or the laptop or the device gonna be useless. You know, they have to, like, I mean there are some methods to recovery stuff, but I mean only a little group of people know that. I mean IT people, but they have to, like, I don't know how to say that in English, but they have to like delete the operating system in a solid again, triple. So whatever. Or you can say, for example, change the clipboard to the data of the hacker. For example, the victim wanna go to the wanna transfer some Bitcoin or some cryptocurrency money or whatever to somebody, and the victim just gonna copy the PayPal address or the cryptocurrency address or whatever, Then you say, okay, change the clipboard to hacker address. That means the victim is not gonna notice that, and the victim is just going to send the money to the hacker instead of to the real person. Let's figure it out how we can change the value of the clipboard. How to change the value of clipboard with PowerShell. Set the clipboard dash value blah blah blah. Okay, I'm gonna say, if I'm gonna say set dash, if I'm gonna say that test as you can see, command prompt can't recognize the PowerShell command, but I can say PowerShell dash command, and then dash value is gonna be like I'm hacker, and this is the alert for you, whatever. But mostly they will change the clipboard to the add PayPal address or cryptocurrency address of the hacker, so the victim is not gonna notice that, and instead of sending money to the real person, they're gonna sending money to the hacker person. But I just said change the value of the clipboard to the I'm a hacker and this is blah 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 whatever, and set the clipboard, and that's it. Now if I'm gonna say enter, if I'm gonna just press enter, that's it. There is no error. That means the value of the clipboard change. Now if I'm gonna for example here, or notepad or whatever I want to show you here, if I'm gonna say okay, sorry, if I'm gonna right click and then there's no paste, but I can say, I can press on a control and V. Why it's not working? Why it's not working? Why it's not working? I have no idea. Dash command set clipboard dash value I'm hacker. What do you think? What do you think? I have no idea why it's not working. Say it in. Again, please work. Control V, Control V, Control V. Work. Work. Why don't work? Why don't work? I don't know. Let me make sure the connection is working properly. Please show me the response. Oh, I got something. It's not gonna show me any response. I think so. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna Control C. I'm gonna say I'm gonna run my malware or whatever again. I'll get another reversal access here, and then I will say please change the value of the clipboard for me. Did you change it? No, it didn't change. Why you don't change? Okay, I don't know why it's not working, but it's okay. What the only, I mean, I tested before, to be honest. I mean, maybe previous week that just was working properly, but right now it's not working. It's okay, don't worry about it. However, you can change it. I don't know why right now it's not working. I don't wanna waste my time anymore, because I wanna show you another interesting thing. So you can inject any PowerShell command which you want. You can do anything which you want. You have access to whole of the victim operating system. You can do anything which you want. When you have access, when you have a reversal access, you have access to the PowerShell, so you can do anything which you want. Anything. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna say, okay, open up the website of the Google. Now right now it has to open up the Google. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, the victim device is my device, and it just open the Google. Or I can say open up the GPS, sorry, open up start Notepad++. What do you think about that? Notepad++. That's it, Notepad++. Do you get it? So it's really interesting. And if you want to change it, if you want to convert it to the like executable of the Windows, it's so easy as well. I'm gonna Ctrl+C, 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 go. The only thing which you got to do, you have to open up your PowerShell command prompt or whatever you have, terminal, go to your script. My script is exists in the PyBot, exists in the desktop, and exists in the PyBot shell, and I can see my script here, bot-shell, no, it's exe sh.py. So I'm gonna delete other thing which I have, because I want to generate it to the executable of the Windows again for you, because I want to teach you how to do that. Go, get out from my PC, get out from my PCG. Okay, now I'm gonna say this is my Python skill. I'm gonna say py installer --run file sh.py, and I'm gonna say --window as well. What is --window? Maybe most of you guys don't know that. Don't worry about it. --window will help you to make sure malware or software or whatever you have, whatever Python script you want to generate to the exe, to after getting executed, don't show the console. Because if you are not gonna use this option or no console option, it's just going to show you the console after getting executed, and the person can just simply close the console. So the connection is just gonna get closed, but we don't want that. We wanna get the reversal connection, and the person can't even do anything and can't understand, oh, what I have to do right now, what happened, nothing. That's it, that's why. So you can, if you don't know what is it, just search in Google. Easy, Google is your friend, your father, your mother, everything. I'm gonna say py installer git command whatever. I'm just going to say yeah, window or no, yeah, here, yeah, you know, not allowing Chrome driver to open. I have Python program that I'm converting to Excel like me. I'm compiled with the PyNester and all is working fine. Now I want to get rid of a console window, and I have a PyQt user interface. I have tried. Okay, so as you can see, you just need to search on Google. Google is your father, mother, brother, everything. So the --window means no console. Don't open the console, please. That's it. Our software, our malware, whatever we have, get generated to the executable of the Windows, not Python anymore. So we can run it easily in any Windows operating system. Where is that? Yeah, dist sh. I have it. Oh, get out. Yeah, here you go. The first thing which I want to tell is that this is a malware. This is a Trojan, because it will make a reversal connection between the hacker device and between the victim device. It's not a good thing. It's not useful. But if I'm gonna open my antivirus, my antivirus couldn't detect it as a malware. So if you're gonna change the icon and then send it to your target, you can get the reversal access, but it's illegal. Please don't do that. Be a good person. this video is just for educational purpose. So if I'm gonna double click, look at here, I'll show you. Did you go to the here? If I'm gonna double click, the console not gonna open, nothing gonna happen. But in reality, shell started. In reality, hacker get a reverse shell access, but nothing. You couldn't see anything, cause nothing happened, nothing. But in the Telegram bot of the hacker have a reverse shell access to your device, and hacker can say, okay, open the HTTPS. Oh, sorry. Open the HTTPS google.com. Open the google.com. That's it. Or hacker can say, show the like a scary message to the victim device. How to pop up message with a PowerShell in a box. I don't know, I will learn. Google is my father, Google is my mother, Google is my everything. System.window blah blah show hello. So I'm gonna copy and paste. I'm a script kit, I know that. PowerShell dash command. No, dash command. Go here, and instead of hello, just pop up, you have been hacked by Arshio, whatever. Okay, it couldn't understand it. Maybe I know why, because of these two. Okay, I'm gonna change it. That was so scary message. I'm gonna change it to like, just you have been hacked by Arshio. That's it. It couldn't run it. I don't know why, but you know what, I'm gonna continue until I get the answer why I couldn't run it. So how can I pop up? I'm gonna go to another website now. Right now I'm a script kid, but it's okay. I really love to be a script kid, to be honest. It's cool. Pop-up message box with PowerShell. Tell me. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna say how to pop up message with a CMD. Here, PowerShell dash command, add assembly, blah blah blah, show blah 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 blah. Exactly the same. But instead of hello world, just pop up Arshio, you have been hacked by Arshio. Oh, so a scary message. Please pop up, just pop up here. Yeah, here we go. That's it. You have been hacked by Arshio Dev. That's good. That's scary. Arshio Dev is a good hacker. And you can just change the value. You can do anything which you want. You can do anything. You can really do anything which you want. The only thing which you can do, which you have to do, is searching, is researching. Try to first love what you do. When you love what you do, you will be the best, and you will love your life. And just search in the Google. Search. Google is your teacher, your father, your mother, your everything. I swear. You don't need anything, you just need Google. You don't need anything, nothing, just Google. Okay, let me think what other interesting thing which I can teach you and can be like interesting for you guys. You could do that, or can I say like, okay, how to lock the like a screen with CMD. Is it possible, you guys? and like from blah blah shortcut blah 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 blah. I don't want that. The command line to lock your windows. Either what is that? I don't know. What is that? Since it's not recommended to run a blah blah whatever. I don't want. Lock the PC with a command prompt. Start the command prompt as always. Enter the command this to confirm with the enter key. See the image. What will happen after that? Okay, let's figure it out what will happen. I really don't know. Maybe it's just gonna lock my screen. I don't know. Let's figure it out. Do that. Lock workstation. Lock workstation. Oh, that was a good one. I really don't know you see it or not. I really don't know you see it or not, but that I really love that. It's just gonna like lock your screen, and then that was interesting. I really don't know because I'm using the screen recorder. I don't know that the screen recorder just detected or just will show it or not. But however, that was so interesting. I didn't even know that you can use these command in the command prompt, or I mean in the reversal connection. Run dll32.exe user 32.dll whatever. I don't know what is this. I don't know, but it will use these two to lock the workstation or to lock the screen of your device or the victim device. Lock workstation. So you have to use these two to lock the workstation or whatever. That was so interesting. I really love that. I mean, you can do anything which you want, any idea which you have in your mind, any idea which you have in your mind, you can do it. You really can do it. Okay, I really talked a lot, and I don't like that. I mean, I like it, but not 37 minutes. I hope you love this tutorial. I hope I teach you something, and definitely God will help me in the future. See you later. Goodbye.